Captain, as our ship threads the misty straits, patrol aircraft circle above. Let's lock aircraft into clear, seaworthy sentences. Meaning 1. Any vehicle that can fly. Aircraft means any machine that flies in the air. Planes, helicopters, drones, gliders. Example. The term aircraft includes planes, helicopters, and drones. Common use. Civilian aircraft, military aircraft, unmanned aircraft. Meaning 2. Collective plural form. Aircraft is also the plural form. 1 aircraft, 2 aircraft, not aircrafts. Example, 3 aircraft are parked on the apron. Common use, 2 aircraft, several aircraft, many aircraft. Meaning 3. Attributive noun before another noun. Aircraft can come before another noun to show relation. Example, aircraft maintenance requires strict safety checks. Common use, aircraft maintenance, aircraft parts, aircraft design. Trim the grammar sails, Captain. Set aircraft precisely where it belongs.
They'll speak with grace and code.
3, 2, 1.
They'll speak with grace and code.
3, 2, 1.
They'll speak with grace and code.
3, 2, 1.
Well plotted, Captain. Aircraft is secured in our log. Set a fresh course and call the next word as we sail for the far islands.